Go to Venus? Mom, can you help me out here? Son, you're gonna have to do this one yourself. I gotta go to the supermarket. But I don't wanna. If you do it, I'll get you some Pepsi. Deal. Which one's Venus? It's the big glowing one, right? I'll just go there. How do I fly again? Perfect.
Hello, welcome to my taco stand.
Hey, can I have a burrito?
Yes, we have many burritos. What do you want in your burrito?
I want it to be all beans. Everything inside of the burrito is just beans. And make the tortilla beans too.
Okay, whatever you want.
What? disCOHrd? This is perfect. Thanks, bro.
That will be $5.
Now that I have my burrito, I can eat while I think of a plan. That burrito was delicious. But I feel bad. Oh no, I forgot what happens when you eat too many beans. What happens when you eat too many beans? You cry. And also that. Uh-oh. Is this Venus? Meh, I'm just gonna assume it is and take this. Now, how do I get back?